Today, we're going to show you a simple way to level up your presentation and create dynamic, seamless transitions as you move from slide to slide. PowerPoint's Morph transition is a gem you can use to achieve a parallax effect that creates the illusion of a 3D space. To start, you are going to want a visual that can be divided into multiple layers or parts. Make sure all visual elements you don't want shown yet sit below the slide's borders. We have a red guide to show the bottom of the slide, and blue guides to inform our text placement so that they move at a consistent pace. As a rule in three-dimensional space, objects in the distance move slower than objects up close, so we want to adjust their placement on the slide accordingly. Duplicate the slide and move the background layer up slightly. Move the next layer up a little more and the next layer a little more than that. Bring the text content up to the middle of the slide and adjust the next slide's text below. Set the transition speed to your preference, increasing the duration for slower, more gradual movement. Duplicate again and repeat the process of moving visual layers upward. Move the previous text above the slide, bring the new text to the middle, and adjust the next slide's text below. Repeat this process until you have moved through all content. And it's as simple as that. This effect has many uses and is a great way to differentiate your content and promote audience engagement. Try it out on your next project.